Have you ever asked yourself why being in nature feels so good? Here's a simple explanation. Our brains are wired to enjoy the sights, sounds, and smells of the outdoors. Natural environments reduce stress by lowering cortisol levels, which is like having a built-in relaxation button. The colors of green trees and blue skies also stimulate positive feelings, while the fresh air can enhance our mood. Plus, nature invites us to move, whether it's walking, hiking, or just exploring, which releases endorphins, our body's feel-good chemicals. So when you're outside, your body and mind are teaming up, making you happier and healthier. That's why we enjoy nature so much.